Welcome to the new session of the electronics. In the data, today we are going to see about the basic principle of radar. So, let us see the basic principle of radar. Radar system. Radar is the name and it is the short form of the radio detection and ranging. Or we can say that it is the contraction of the words radio detection and ranging, that is known as the radar. Radar is works on the electromagnetic wave for the detection and location of the objects. It operates by transmitting a particular type of the waveform, which is either pulse modulated sine wave, and detect the nature of echo signal which is coming from the object. Radar can see the different conditions like as the darkness, haze, fog, rain, snow, which is not possible for the human vision. In the darkness, we can't see the objects, or in fog also, in fog, rain, or during the snowfall also, we can't see the objects. But with the help of radar, we can see the all objects which is in the darkness. Similarly, the advantage of the radar is to measure the distance and the range of the object. This is the radar system. In this case, this is the radar system, and this radar system sends the signals to the object, and that signal is strike on this object, and that signal is reflected, or that electromagnetic wave is reflected from this object and comes to this radar system. And we can measure the time required to transmission and reception of that signal, and from that we can measure the distance of the object which is present at a long distance. Similarly, we can find out the position of that object and the distance of that object with the help of radar system. This is the radar system. This is the transmitting antenna and receiving antenna. Same antenna is used for transmission and reception of the signal. In this way, the electromagnetic waves are emitted from the radar system, and these electromagnetic waves strike on the object which is present in the wave of the electromagnetic waves, and some part of that wave is reflected back and comes to the receiver, and in this way we can measure the distance between the radar and object. Okay, this is the radar system. Generally, the radar consists of the four components, that is the transmitting antenna, which can be emit the high energy electromagnetic radiations generated by the oscillator. Then the receiving antenna receive that signal, and there is the antenna for transmission and reception of the electromagnetic wave. The portion of transmitted signal is interpreted by the reflected object, and it is radiated in all directions receiving antenna collect the return signal and deliver it to the receiver, where it is proceed to detect the presence of the target and to extract the location and relative velocity of the object. The distance of target is determined by measuring the time taken by radar for signal traveling or signal to travel towards the target and comes back from the target. Similarly, the direction and angular position of the target is determined from the direction of the arrival of the reflected wave front. The distance or the range of the target is determined by measuring the time taken by the transmitter and the receiver by the pulse to travel to the target and return from it, and that the time is known as the TR. Since the electromagnetic energy propagated at a speed of light, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, therefore the range of the target is given by this formula. R is equal to CTR divided by 2. Here C is the velocity of light, T is the time taken by the transmission of the signal, and R is the time taken by the receiving signals, and which is divided by 2, because the transmitter and receiver, which are two things. Okay, so time required to transmit and receive the signal, therefore it is divided by the 2, because there are the two paths, that is the transmission path and receiving path. So the range is equal to C into TR divided by 2. Now let us see the basic principle of radar system. Basically, radar have 4 blocks, and the name of these blocks are transmitter, receiver, duplexer and antenna. Function of transmitter is to send the high frequency microwave through the directional antenna, and the function of receiver is to collect the energy which is coming from the target, and that is known as the echo, which is reflected in the direction of the target. Then analyze it by the receiver and display this information in suitable form. The same antenna is used for transmitting as well as receiving the electromagnetic wave, and this being achieved by the time division multiplexing system arrangement, which is known as the duplexer. And this is the block diagram of the radar. This is the transmitter, and function of transmitter is to transmit the signal towards the target, and from the target the signal or the wave is reflected or comes back towards the antenna, and that is known as the received signal. Therefore this antenna receives the signal, and therefore this receiver can detect the range of the target. So this is the basic principle of radar system. And here the transmitter generates, this is the transmitter, and this transmitter generates the high frequency, high power electromagnetic wave, that is known as the microwave, and that is fed to the transmitting antenna, and therefore this antenna transmits the signal towards this antenna transmits the signal in all directions, and therefore the transmitted signal is reached to the target, and then some part of that signal is reflected back and comes towards the radar, and that highly directional pulse, transmitted pulse are transmitted. As soon as this transmitter transmits the signal, this antenna disconnected from the transmitter and connected to the receiver. Automatically it is connected to the receiver when the transmitter function of transmitter is over, means the transmission is completed. Transmission of signal is completed, then this antenna is automatically connected to the receiver, and this antenna works for the transmission and the receiver, and that function is known as the, here it works for the two purpose, transmission and reception, and it is therefore it is known as the duplexer. Okay, so when the signal is coming back from the target, then this antenna receives the signal and feed it to the receiver, and therefore the position of this target, that is the information about the horizontal direction and vertical direction, is detected by this receiver, and the distance of the target is calculated automatically from the time taken by the pulse in the two journeys, that is the transmission and receiver journey. The return distance covered in 1 second, 1 microsecond is equal to 984 feet, which can be calculated from the velocity of electromagnetic radiations. Thus, the target must be 984 divided by 2, which is equal to 492 feet, which can be approximately 500 feet if the pulse is received in 1 microsecond after transmission. In the radar system, the unit is used for the distance, and that unit is known as the nautical miles, and 1 nautical miles is equal to 5018.27 feet, and it requires 12.4 microseconds for electromagnetic wave to travel this distance. Thus, if the range is to be 50 nautical miles, at least it requires at least 620 microseconds. This is the radar. Let us see in this case, this is the transmitter. First of all, transmitter transmits the signal and it gives the signal to the duplexer. Then that signal is transmitted by the transmitting antenna, which is reached to the target, and then this target reflects the signal. Some part of the signal is reflected from the target and comes back to the antenna, and which is received by the duplexer and it feeds to the receiver. Let us hear. This is the working of the radar. Here, transmitter, duplexer, antenna, target, and comes back from the target, comes to the duplexer, receiver, and display. Okay, this is the transmitter, duplexer, antenna, electromagnetic wave to the target. So, this is the working of the radar system. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.